Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Easy English Practice. How are you feeling today? Happy? Sad? Maybe a little stressed? Tell me honestly, how many times do your feelings control you? Someone says one small word and you feel angry. One small problem happens and you feel very sad. Your heart feels heavy. Your beautiful day is ruined. I understand this feeling, but what if I tell you a secret? You can control your feelings. You can be the boss of your emotions. Imagine your life, where anger cannot break you, fear cannot stop you, sadness cannot win. This life is possible, and today I will show you 10 easy steps. So please stay with me. This lesson is not just about English. It is about your freedom, your peace, your happy future. Welcome to Easy English Practice. Let's begin. Step 1 is very simple. Stop and breathe. When something bad happens, your first feeling is very strong. You want to shout, you want to cry, but stop. Just for 5 seconds. Do not move. Do not speak. Take one deep breath. This small stop is your superpower. It's like a magic shield. It protects you from saying bad words. It protects you from making big mistakes. For example, you are driving. Another car comes in front of you. You feel very angry. But if you shout, you only get more stress. So, just stop. Breathe. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now you can think clearly. You saved your peace. Step 2. Name your feeling. Many times we feel bad, but we don't know why. We say, I feel bad, but this is not clear. So ask yourself, what is this feeling? Say the name. Are you angry? Are you sad? Are you scared? Are you tired? When you say the name, the feeling becomes smaller. It is like turning on the light in a dark room. You are not scared anymore because you can see. Say it with me. I feel angry. I feel disappointed. I feel worried. Very good. Now you understand your feeling. This is the first step to control it. Step 3. Ask, is this true? Our feelings sometimes tell us lies. For example, if your friend doesn't call you, you may think, nobody likes me. This thought makes you sad. But stop. Ask yourself, is this true? Maybe your friend is just busy. Maybe they have a problem. Think about the real reason. Do not believe the first sad thought in your head. Ask, is this true, or is it just my feeling? This question will calm your mind. It will give you peace. Step 4. Walk away. If a situation makes you very angry or sad, it is okay to walk away. Leave the room for 5 minutes. Go to another room. Look out the window. Drink a glass of water. When you walk away, you break the power of the emotion. You give your mind a small holiday. After 5 minutes, you can return. You will feel calmer. You can talk without anger. Walking away is not weak. It is very, very smart. Step 5. Talk to yourself kindly. What do you say inside your head? Do you say, I am so stupid, or I always make mistakes? This is very bad for your feelings. You must talk to yourself like a kind friend. Say good words. Instead of I am stupid, say I am learning. It is okay. Instead of I can't do this, say this is difficult, but I will try. Say it with me. I am strong. I am calm. I can handle this. These words are like magic. They will make you feel stronger and happier. Step 6. Find one good thing. When you are very sad, your mind only sees problems. So you must force your mind to see something good. Ask yourself, what is one good thing right now? It can be a very small thing. The sun is shining. I have a comfortable chair. My friend smiled at me. Finding one good thing changes your focus. It is like a little light in the darkness. Your sadness will become smaller. Try it now. What is one good thing in your life? Think about it. Step 7. Accept what you cannot change. You cannot control everything. You cannot control the weather. You cannot control other people. Fighting against these things is like fighting with the wind. It is a waste of your energy. So you must accept it. Say, okay, this happened. I cannot change it, I accept it. For example, if it rains on your holiday, you can be angry, or you can accept it and find a fun activity inside. Acceptance gives you peace. It saves your energy for things you can change. Step 8. Move your body. When you feel bad, your body feels heavy, so move it. You do not need to go to the gym. Just stretch your arms, shake your hands, walk around your room for 2 minutes. Moving your body helps release the bad energy. It tells your brain, I am alive, I am strong. If you feel angry, try this. Stand up and shake your whole body for 30 seconds. You will feel the anger go away. Try it with me later. Step 9. Think about your hero. Who is your hero? It can be a famous person, or a family member, or a friend. Ask yourself, what would my hero do in this situation? Your hero is probably calm and strong. So imagine you are your hero. This will help you make better choices. You will not shout or cry. You will act with strength and kindness. Be your own hero. Step 10. Learn and let go. After a difficult situation, do not think about it again and again. This is called overthinking, and it is not good for you. Instead, ask yourself one question. What can I learn from this? Maybe you learn to be more patient. Maybe you learn to speak more kindly. After you learn the lesson, let go. Forget the bad feeling. Do not carry it with you. Learning and letting go makes you wiser and lighter. You are ready for a new, happy day. Now let's practice together. I will say a situation. You say the correct step. Ready? Situation 1. Your brother uses your phone without asking. You feel angry. Stop and breathe. Then talk to him kindly. Situation 2. You make a mistake at work. You feel very bad. Talk to yourself kindly. Say, I am learning. It is okay. Situation 3. It is raining, and you cannot go to the park. Accept what you cannot change. Find a fun activity inside. Very good. You are learning. Congratulations, my friend. You did it. You learned 10 easy steps to control your feelings. Remember, stop and breathe. Name your feeling. Talk to yourself kindly. These steps will help you every day. You can do this. Be patient with yourself. You are learning, and you are amazing. If you liked this lesson, please click the like button and subscribe to Easy English Practice. Write in the comments, which step is your favorite? Thank you for watching. You are strong. You are calm. You can control your feelings. Goodbye.